What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we made $346, but I really want to break down this trade of $257 because I did that with 178 shares. So I actually got 1.6 points spread on that, which was really nice. So let's break that down. And because I only have cash to trade with, I only had two trades on the day. One made $88, the other one made $257. So the first trade that I made was 1,000 shares I did, where I bought at 177.2 at 9:53 a.m. So let's break that down so you can see. And once I sold out of this, I had to get out immediately because I just knew it was a bad entry. And then we waited and were patient and made a nice entry off of that. So let's just look at it real quick. We bought those 1,000 shares at what time do we buy that? So looking right here, we have 1,000 shares and we bought at 9:53. So let's find 9:53 using the timer up here. And we are right in this area. We bought 1,000 shares. I knew it was a bad buy because when I'm looking at this, look where VWAP was. This is the pink line. VWAP completely rejected right here. And I bought right in here at this candle at 9:53, 1,000 shares. And I immediately just got rid of it because after I made that trade, I was like, my thought process was thinking that right here we had the low and then it was going to retest the low and then bounce. It never bounced. It looked very weak. I sold it immediately, got rid of it. So I said, okay, let me regroup. I just wasted one of my cash trades. I can buy in the other account. I bought, 31,000, which is about 180 shares. I'm sorry, 177 shares. And then I added the extra one. So 178 shares. I bought at 176.25 was my entry at 10:05. So that first entry was at 9:53. I waited 22 minutes for the next entry. And then, I'm sorry, not 22 minutes, 12 minutes. My math not mathing up. So I waited 12 minutes. I bought at 10:03. So let's look at 10:03 and I bought the bottom again. I keep buying the bottom and just not holding it long enough. But looking at the chart, we bought down here in this area at 10:03 to give you perspective. And what did I wait for? MACD all the way down right here. And then I also waited for the RSI to die. I'm going to get rid of the MACD for a second. Look at the RSI right here at 10:03. Completely sold off Tesla. Here I am making a great entry, and I sold it right away, but it is what it is. So look at it, 10:03. I bought here. I literally bought the low, 176.25. Look at low of day right here. At 10:03, 176.25. That's me, 187 shares. I'm in, boom. I get in. I don't take profits until I sold 178 at 177.7 at 10:14. So I held this share size for 9 minutes. And let's go to where we bought it. And let's move out a little bit. So we bought right here, 10:03. And then we sold right up here at 177.7. The reason I sold was because VWAP was right here. I was thinking we're just going to break and we're going to fail from here. But it actually fought VWAP and just hung out here the whole time. I could have held while I was up 1.6 points, but I decided just to let it go. And then it ran up even more as the day went on because it reclaimed VWAP, which is this pink right here. Reclaimed it, but I just didn't hold. And that was the tell sign right there. You went up to 179, got bought up right before VWAP, and just kept holding and bounced back up. So I could have got much more points on this, but for me, it was a great trade. I'm okay with it. I made $346. My first trade, I'm just glad I got out of because I had a lot of money in the trade. Took my $88, got out of that trade real quick, and then made the share size with the 178. Got the 1.6 to 1.7 spread, and that's okay for the day. But I just wanted to recap on it. Let's just see where we're at on the year. Year to date, we're up $11,184. So we're going to keep poking. We're going to keep trying to scalp our way to victory. And we'll wait for the next setup. So even if you sell early, it's all good. Just trying to continuously, rack up the gains as we go. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. This is my channel, Trading Simplified. I'm always just trying to be transparent. These are some of my more popular videos, so definitely check them out if you're just trying to learn how to do automatic investments. If you're trying to learn the Fidelity Active Trader Pro setup that I use, I trade on Fidelity. This is what I use. I got a bunch of videos on it, and I have shortcuts on it, and just anything with the tutorial for it, and other funds as well, like FSELX, the semiconductors, that's blasting off in 2024. The growth fund, I hold this in my taxable account that I add every single week, just $100 a week. Different funds that I think are good long term, that just check out the videos. It's in my playlist. You can check them right here. And under playlist, I'll literally have my trading P&L 2024, my long-term investments, investment ideas, penny stocks I'm looking at. Always